Jamaica the hub, but other markets their bread and butter. Basie and Xyclone may not be on the current cutting edge, but they know a thing or two about selling their music.
A fun thing.
TOK toasts the Basie and Baltimore-based DJ Xyclone, pooling rhymes on their collab EP Flawless Victory. Both well-travelled and versed in the ways of staying visible in a fast-changing music landscape.
He saw that my solo career was doing well in Europe. So he said, yo, Mo, do a tour with you over there. And I'm like, yo, why do a song or a tour when we can do a project? He's very business savvy, he's very tunnel vision on his focus, and so am I.
From your little youth, I go Bridgeport High School, you know. Basie is actually who made me want to DJ. You know that deep voice there, Basie and Soko.
Anchors run out with the right attitude. Make we switch up the vibe with a happy mood. When big with him a play, everybody move.
I realize he has a big following in Europe, you know, and every year I go to Europe, but me end up do like 2 or 3 shows, so I reach out to him and say, yo brother, you know, so I love to collaborate on some of them shows there.
Move, everybody, move.
And what do you have to know about the marketplace now? You mentioned Europe.
The quote-unquote dancehall is dying out, to be honest with you, in terms of what is branded as a dancehall event. The turnout is low.
Shaggy is not wrong.
Shaggy is wrong in the sense that dancehall is not gonna die, but what he's trying to say, which I agree with him, is that the main popular music coming out of Jamaica is gonna be the new generation. It already is.
Everything opposite. No matter them when they talk, I make it your daughter DM this your daughter get on the.
But you have refined where to take your act, so to speak. You know where your audience exists.
Correct, and I do different music for different marketplaces. So I have a big EDM following in Berlin that you would never play in Jamaica. I have stuff that I do in the USA that would never play in Europe. And so I try to make myself as agile as possible to the different styles out there.
Everybody know, get in the groove. Foot a move and shoulder move. And if you step on me shoes and nothing me approve.
Well, you're here to push your project, including your single, but really, this is not your market.
Jamaica? Well, a dancehall me do, you know. So, whether you like Xyclone, whether you don't like Xyclone, whether you like Basie, whether you don't like Basie, you still have to come at the Mecca and do the work.
If overseas wanted more of the current sound in Jamaica, you would be more exploring that sound.
I have explored that sound, you know, because, I mean, we can't fool ourselves sometimes. I mean, Wap 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 is a big song, gigantic song, and it has that new sound. You know what I mean? There's tons of songs. I mean, Cranium Soul Gold, nobody have to know. That's not authentic dancehall. You know what I mean? So you still have to appreciate it. If that's the sound we have come from Jamaica, it's still Jamaican music.
But you're saying this has a more authentic dancehall sound.
Yeah, man. And them still do appreciate the original sound across the world.
So why aren't they sort of more turning on to the new sound out of Jamaica?
I think our music needs more help. You know, like back in the days, you would have Sean Paul on Atlantic, or Spragga Benz on Capital, or Capleton on Def Jam, whatever it be. Labels aren't really signing many artists nowadays. They might sign you for your one song, and then after that one song, they move on to the next hot song or the next trending song. You see me? So the space of music has changed.
Get in the groove. Everybody know, get in the groove.
Is the Jamaican marketplace at such odds with the kind of music that you make that you're focusing almost exclusively elsewhere?
Jamaica will always be my creative hub, and the thing about me as a DJ is that I was very influenced by Snoop Dogg as well as Bounty Killer. So I have a lot of hip hop background and a lot of dancehall. So where the music is evolving now is like playground for me, because the trap sound and the youth them doing styles that sound more American based is perfect for where I am. And I think what's happening now with, you know, like TJ with Drift and Skillet is like a little snapshot of what is to come. It's still in the incubation period, and we're going to refine it and going to find artists come and them innovate and them mix the worlds. And I think this point now is the best opportunity, because with social, everybody's looking at us and we have a big market. We don't need to go through somebody to get to the world.
But everybody needs to work on something. What do these guys need to work on?
Performance. The main thing they need to work on is performance. I definitely think lyrically they're writing excellently. I think the production has raised from even our time in terms of the tools that they're mixing with, the rhythm selection, the instrumentation. I think all that is fine. I think because dancehall was high energy, you had the Capletons and the energy guys that come out and bring the energy on stage. Trap music is not that high energy, it's a very chill vibe. So therefore, the artists have to find a way to make their performance performance still compelling within the sound and the mood and the atmosphere of this type of music. And I think the more they tour and start to see other artists in other genres and how they perform on big stages, that's gonna help them to master their craft. The other challenge is that the fans also have an obligation to actually enjoy the show, but the first thing they do is take out their phone. So you see artists perform and you see it look like, stars, but what does that mean? You're not getting the energy because people are more trying to capture the moment than enjoy the moment. So that's a little challenge as well for artists in general.
Me as a youth, me used to keep my birthday party and them things there. My party them would have 800-900 people and 500 of them a beg free ticket for come in. You see me? So we have this market where, yo DJ, I can't get 2 tickets. Yo DJ, buckle them out $100, I can't pay 40. Like, it's a beggar's mentality. So until we start support the own music, pay to go into events, buy the music, support the music. Like a woman can go up on Amazon and buy here. Them buy them Shein, they buy them outfit. Go up on Amazon and buy the music. Duh.
You are a very business-minded person. What's the thing that's foremost on your mind when you think about the music business?
They might have 2 million followers, but they're just followers. They're not fans or supporters of your music. Them just follow you. You see me? And then you can't sell ice in hell. So, for me, my most important thing, I treat it as a career because it is a career.
Foot a move and shoulder move, and if you step on my shoes and nothing me approve.
A lot of the times you'd have a song that's growing in popularity and say a DJ reach out to you from somewhere you don't know. Say, yo brother, I can't get this one dub. Yeah man, $500 deters him away. I'm the type of person, I'm gonna reach out to me for the dub. I'm gonna say, all right, just pay for the studio time. You send it, come here. Yeah, all right, yo brother, Xyclone, boom, boom. So I end up, I do all 10 dub for a certain region. Then them I play my song, play the song. No, I can go over there, charge what I want, get what I want, and do more shows.
It sounds like, okay, you're a DJ, but you're also a businessman.
Have to be. Nobody can sell you like how you can sell you, So I'm my best salesperson.
What's it like being on the road with Xyclone? Is it a perfect storm?
The main thing is that we're just it's almost like a mission. It's almost like a army that say, okay, this is what we want to do. We're doing this project and we're going to tour it to the world. So we've done USA, we've done London, we're doing Jamaica now, and after that we'll go to Europe, we'll go Amsterdam, Switzerland. So we're literally executing a master plan.
Dancehall and a rhythm and blues. Y'all hear them tune and not coffee shoes. It's an energy you just can't refuse, but everybody just a bounce